Hey, Money Magnets, let's dive into how to get up to a $35,000 personal loan and bad credit is okay.
And look, guys, we're going to give you 9 lenders to choose from. The applications only take about 5 minutes, and you can have the money in your account within 24 hours.
Okay, Marvin, let's dive into what lenders are accepting low credit scores.
All right, the first lender is Money Mutual. You can get a short-term loan up to $5,000. They have an online marketplace of lenders, which means you may start off with Money Mutual, but it may end up with another lender. All right, they can fund you within 24 hours. You have a simple online application that only takes about 5 minutes. They're trusted by more than 2 million customers. So that goes to show they do lend money. All right, and the interest rates vary, the loan terms vary. All of this is going to be dependent on your financial situation. So I will have my check stubs and my bank statements ready.
Yeah. And Marvin, one of the things that I love, this particular lender has a 4.8 rating. That right there would make me want to go with this lender. Now, Money Magnets, I know that you guys are struggling sometimes with, high debt.
Right.
We see that in our mentorship program all the time, where some of our students that come into the program, they have utilization problems,
Right.
or you just need that infuse of funds to just get you over that little hump.
Right.
Well, this is a good way to get you over that hump. So let's dive into the next lender, Marvin.
All right, Gloria. The second lender is 24/7 Lending Group. They do personal loans from $500 all the way up to $35,000. All types of credit types are considered and welcome.
Right.
All right, it's simple. It's a very simple form, no impact to your credit score.
Right.
They've been helping consumers since 2001, and they have a 4.7 out of 5 on a Trustpilot rating with over 2,000 reviews, guys. That means they're lending money. They're putting money on the street.
Most definitely.
And the interest rate may vary from 5.99 and go all the way up to 35.99. You can get a loan term from 60 days all the way up to 72 months. And guys, remember, your financial situation will determine your interest rate.
Most definitely, Marvin. And this particular lender has a 4.7 rating. So let's dive into number 3, which is Avant.
Okay.
Avant has a personal loan that goes from $2,000 all the way up to $35,000.
Right.
Okay. And you can compare rates in just 2 minutes without it even affecting your credit score.
Right.
So what that means is when you put your information in, they're going to shop you around. Okay.
Yeah.
But there's no impact. Okay. And you also get the best origination fees with this particular lender, and bad credit is okay with a 550 minimum credit score required.
Yeah.
Okay. And it's powered by Credible. Okay. So keep in mind that the interest rate on this particular lender is from 9.95% all the way up to 35.99%. And you can have the loan terms from 12 months to 60 months. Okay. So,
and if you're in a tight spot, this could help you out. This could be that bridge loan that gets you from, your finances are a little messed up to getting you back on track. Sometimes all you need is time.
You know what, Marvin? That is so true. Marvin and I are giving you 9 different loan options that you can choose from. So, Money Magnets, find out which one you think best suits your situation. Now, let's dive into number 4, Marvin.
All right, the number 4 lender is Upstart. Upstart will give you personal loans starting at $1,000. And I personally know Upstart will go higher than that because we've had clients get approved with them. Look, you can pre-qualify with your application, which means they'll normally start with a soft pull. They'll verify all your documents and then they'll close the loan. Loans can be as low as a 300 FICO score. So it means credit does not matter to them. They're looking more at your financial position, check stubs and bank statements. Checking rates doesn't affect your credit score. So it means they're going to pre-qualify you. Then they're going to verify all your documents. Then they'll approve you. So you can have a loan amount anywhere from $1,000 all the way up to $50,000. Interest rates right now can be as low as 6.4 and go all the way up to 35.99. Loan terms are from 3 to 5 years. And guys, I know personally, we've had people get approved through Upstart. This is a good lender.
And Marvin, I want the Money Magnets to also keep in mind that even though they're doing a soft pull, once you accept the loan, it will show on your credit as a hard inquiry.
Exactly. All right, Gloria, let's go to number 5.
Okay, so number 5, smartadvances.com. Now, this particular lender goes from $100 all the way up to $20,000.
Right.
And Marvin, you can get approved with this particular lender in as little as 2 minutes.
Exactly.
That
That's
right
fast.
there can be a cash flow changer for a lot of you money magnets.
Yeah.
Okay. And funds will be directly deposited into your account within 1 business day. And there are no hidden fees. So that's one of the things that you want to make sure that you're paying attention to, the hidden fees,
Right.
the disclosures, and things to that nature. This particular lender has a 4.6 rating, and the loan terms vary.
Right. And look, guys, we know you may be struggling with your credit, but I want you to look at a link we have in the description below. We have an AI software that can help you with your credit. If you guys comment AI, if you can't find it, I'll make sure I send it to you in the comment section.
And Marvin, one of the things that I want our money magnets to know, don't let bad credit stop you from achieving your goals. You know,
Right.
those stubborn and nagging credit items,
Right.
you are in control. You're in the driver's seat. So now it's time for you to take your power back and start going in a direction that you want to go in.
All right, Glory, let's jump into lender number 6.
Now, this particular loan is personalloan.com.
Right.
They go from $250 all the way up to $35,000. Okay.
Right.
And this loan has a large network of lenders. So you don't have to worry. Of course, are they going to shop you around? Yes, but there's not going to be an impact to your credit score, as well as they give you a fast decision. And you can use this particular loan for any purpose, you know.
Right.
So you don't have to like say, okay, I need debt consolidation. I'm paying my cards down. And then, you know, because some loans make you specify what you're going to use the money for. And you have to use it for that purpose. Okay. Now, with this loan, the loan terms are from 3 to 72 months.
That's nice.
And the interest rate starts at 5.99% and goes all the way up to 35.99. And it's all determined by what your credit score looks like.
Right, guys, this could help you get out of a tight spot. Make sure you stick around for the next 3 lenders. All right, Gloria, let's get into the next lender. All right, lender number 7 is lendingstore.com. Get up to $5,000 as soon as tomorrow. Easy to use, only takes a few minutes, takes probably less than 5 minutes to do the application. You get instant answers from lenders who want to work with you guys. The funds will be deposited in your account in as little as usually 24 hours. You can get a loan from as low as $100 all the way up to $5,000. The interest rate varies because they're shopping your loan around. You can get these loan terms up to 180 months, guys. And they got a 4.5 rating with Trustpilot.
And Marvin, one of the wonderful things about it is these loans starts at a low amount and it goes all the way up to a high amount. So just think if you just need just that little small cushion to give you the push and you can pay that right off, then the interest rate shouldn't matter to you because guess what? It can keep you from getting maybe a 30-day late.
Yes.
You know, because missed payments are the worst thing that you can have on your credit right now.
Right. And guys, we know credit card debt is at an all-time high right now. And maybe this can help you take smaller credit cards, combine them all, and just have one payment instead of having all these minimum payments and you're not doing anything to actually pay off the loan.
Marvin, that's most definitely a great point. Now, let's dive into number 8.
All right. We got CashUSAcom. Loans go from $500 all the way up to $10,000. You can receive loan decisions in a few minutes, get the funds deposited directly to your account, and you can use the loan for any purpose. The interest rates vary from 5.99 all the way up to 35.99. And guys, you can get loan terms from 3 months all the way up to 72 months.
Wow, Marvin. One of the things that I've noticed about all of these lenders is if your credit is pretty decent, guess what? You can have a lower interest rate. So keep that in mind when you're applying and look at which loan is going to be the best to suit what you have going on.
And then, Money Magnets, I want you to remember, you guys can pay half the payment every 14 days, and that'll help you defeat this interest. These are large numbers on interest.
Most
definitely. If you pay half your payment on the 1st, maybe half your payment on the 15th, now you're defeating that 35.99. So don't let the interest stop you. Think about consolidating and having one payment.
Okay, number 9. Badcreditloans.com. Now, this particular lender goes from $500 all the way up to $10,000. And you can get connected with lenders very easy and fast, okay? It's a simple form and quick funding. So you can get your funding as soon as the next business day. That right there is a game changer, okay? The only thing about this lender, Marvin, is it has a 4.2 rating.
Yeah.
So I will most definitely read the comments. The higher the rating, it looks like the more loans that they're funding and the easier the process may be, okay?
Right.
So keep in mind also that this loan goes from 3 months all the way up to 60 months.
That's good. And look, guys, I want you to comment below if you have any experience with these lenders, or if you know other lenders that our community can benefit from. Make sure you drop it in the comments and like and share this video, guys, if you enjoyed this information.
Okay, Marvin, I have a gem. Okay, guys, you know I'm always dropping good gems for you, okay? So don't let bad credit be an excuse anymore. If you're interested in fixing your credit, check out this next video.
I'm Mr. Smith.
And I'm Mrs. Smith.
And we're here to help empower your finances.